Primetime news this evening. Vybz Kartel and co accused to no fate about retrial in 2 months. Water woes extend to Portland. And new coastal issues in St. James.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We are live, both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Javon Keys.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Anthony Lugg has a preview of what's to come in the financial week.
Thanks, Kalisha. Well, this evening, I'll tell you about some major plans for micro business parks across the country.
Certainly looking forward to hear more about that, but guess what, Jordan? Fort is standing by with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan, what do you have for us?
Well, remember that ongoing saga between the J3As and the contractual arrangements that they have with Puma and Adidas trying to enter the fray? Well, there's another development on that issue. The former president of the J3As has weighed in, and he says there are outside forces who are trying to muddy the waters. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
Very interesting developments there.
And we're still feeling the heat. Remain, any rain on the forecast?
Yes, Kalisha, we do have some rain in the forecast for Sunday as well as Monday of next week, but we're expecting drier conditions thereafter.
I guess those rain dances have been working.
Yes.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you think the government should do to assist PPV operators with their operating costs following the deferral of the fare increase?
You can share those comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us on X or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.